Hey, what's up? So I built this roof over half of the chicken run back in September. Because we have 16 chickens now, it's a little too small to have them cooped up through the winter. So I needed to create a space for them to hang out in that's dry and covered so that they're not walking through snow all day. Let me show you how I built it. It was much warmer then. So we got these new chickens last night, 4 hens and this rooster, and they really want to get out. They're used to free ranging, and we don't do that here.
We don't do that here.
So they just keep trying to follow me out every time I'm working here. And the rooster apparently has a new call. That's really cool. They are very friendly though. That's really nice. Even the rooster. He might end up replacing Eggy.
Meanwhile.
Oh. Hey, what you doing? All right. Well, I guess we do free range a little bit. Hey, what's up? So I'm putting a roof on this half of the coop run, and this is what I got going on so far. I've got these pieces going along here, and it's at an angle, so it's going to slope this way so all the rain can run off there. I got to put in these posts and attach those for more support, and then I'll put in the cross pieces. As you can see, the silver joist hangers, they'll go every 2 feet all the way down. So I'm going to put in one joist here and one joist down there by the other post so that I can put these in the right place so that they're plumb. So that's what I'm going to do. And everybody else agrees. How are you going to get in there? Oh, yeah, there you go. Good job. $123.50. So this is why I'm using the brackets. They do give more support as well, but the main reason I'm using them is so that I can do this myself. Come on, shoulders. Slides right in like that. This tool right here is a game changer. Strap that onto a post and it tells you a level on 2 sides. So you can get it perfectly plumb. Oh, excuse me. There. Right there. All right, don't move it. I'll be right back. All right, my camera woman is leaving me. Not for good, just for a couple minutes here. So yeah, good start. Hey, what's up? Back again today. Just getting the rest of these joists hung. Then I can cut everything off that's sticking above this and then attach the roof. Hey, what's up? Now I'm just putting on the tin, and then all I have left to do after that is attach the more hardware cloth here to close up these gaps. So I'm just going to start here. I've got a bit of an overhang here on the end and on that end. All right, so what I'm doing now is marking out where the joist is. So I can just run along here and screw them right in. It's now December 10th. We had so much going on back in August, September, and October that I'm just now getting around to finishing this video. So yeah, there it's all completed. You can see the roof. I only did over a part of the run. We put plastic around the whole thing to keep the wind from just whipping through there during the winter. Gives them a little more protection. You can see just how much snow we've gotten. I think we got almost a foot a couple days ago. Also got a new snow removal toy. Check this thing out. It's got a little blade on it. Works really well. Thanks for hanging out. Check you later.